Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with the pandemic EBT video. In today's video, we're going to discuss the increase in food stamps. That's right, guys. Mostly a lot of people is going to be getting this $95. Then we're also going to talk about more states have been approved for a pandemic EBT for the 2020-2021 school year, as well as the emergency allotment. I want to say about all the states are on there with the payout dates. Then we have some WIC. That is right. WIC has increased their guidelines so more people are eligible, new online retailers, and more, my darling. So if you want to know what is going on in the lovely world of EBT, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friends. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because you love me bringing this content to you each and every single day, and I enjoy doing it. And don't forget, if you are an EBT recipient, you can get this Amazon Prime for $5.99. Like, you've been watching these videos, I talk about it. Today is the day you go ahead and get your Prime. If you don't want to commit to the $5.99, try it out 30 days free on your girl and get my ebook. It's payday Friday, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the states that have been approved for pandemic EBT for if your child is receiving free or reduced lunch. It does not matter if you are receiving SNAP benefits at all. If your child is receiving free or reduced lunch, you qualify. All right, so the states are Arizona, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, DC, Florida, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Montana, Nebraska, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you had bingos. Congratulations. Now let's go ahead and move to these emergency allotment, which means the maximum allotment for the month of April. Now, some states are not doing retroactive, but if your emergency allotment was not at least $95 or more, then you will get at least $95. That's what they're trying to do. Not all states have implemented. I know it's like Pennsylvania, but it has come down. So that's where they're moving to, where you can get an increase as well. So if you're already getting it, you're not going to get it anymore, okay? But some states are doing retroactive. Now, for emergency allotment, Alabama, you'll get paid on April 3rd. On Arizona, April 1st through the 2nd. Arkansas, April 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. California, May 16th. Colorado, April 21st through the 27th. Delaware, April 28th. DC, your normal schedule. Florida, April 17th. Georgia, April 25th, 27th, 29th, and the 30th. Guam, April 23rd. Hawaii, May 10th. Idaho, May 11th through the 15th. Iowa, your normal scheduled issuance. Illinois, April 22nd through the 30th. Indiana, you know y'all are always different, the 5th through the 23rd, odd days only. Kansas, May 15th through May 24th. Kentucky, April 10th through the 19th. Louisiana, April 8th, the 15th, the 22nd, the 29th, and May 6th. Maine, April 10th. What is 20th? Maine, April 10th. Maryland, sometime in April, so April 1st through the 30th. Michigan, April 20th. Mississippi, April 6th. Missouri, April 1st through the 22nd. Montana, April 7th. New Hampshire, April 5th, 12th, 19th, 26th, and then it'll roll into May 4th, 5th, 11th, 18th, and 25th. New Jersey, April 1st through the 5th. New Mexico, April 1st through the 30th, so sometime in the month. New York City is April 17th through the 23rd, and then April 24th through the 30th. The rest of the state, April 12th through the 16th, and then April 19th through the 23rd, with benefits available the next day. North Carolina is going to run from 10 days, April 22nd to May 1st. Ohio, April 15th. Oklahoma, April 10th through the 15th. Oregon, y'all always do the 3 runs, April 12th, April 29th, and May 3rd for the last run. Rhode Island, April 4th. South Carolina, April 1st through the 19th. Texas, April 30th. Tennessee, April 1st through the 20th. Utah, April 25th. Vermont, May 14th. Virginia, April 16th, which is today. Okay, y'all should have got your benefits. West Virginia, April 7th. Washington, April 2nd through the 20th on a staggered schedule. Wisconsin, April 24th, depending on what y'all got going on. Wyoming, April 13th. And that is it, guys. That's what I have. So that was a lot. Thank you for staying if you stayed. In South Carolina right now, when it comes to the pandemic EBT, there's been some issues going on with it. And the South Carolina Department of Education and Horry County Schools are working to fix the problem where attendance records prevented some families from receiving their students' financial benefits known as food or pandemic EBT. I didn't think the attendance had something to do with it, but I guess that is going on. So they said Horry County parents said that they have been missing hundreds of dollars to help feed their children, and they haven't received their pandemic EBT. Administered by South Carolina Department of Education and the Department of Social Services, the funds to provide benefits for eligible students during the pandemic. Now they said, hey, as of right now, they're working with the new program, and the way HCS coded attendance caused an issue when the department tried to retrieve the data. So I don't know if they caused it like saying that your child wasn't hybrid, or they were hybrid, or they weren't in school. I don't know. But they said, hey, the next issuance, they should take place on April 20th through 30th. So check your cards on there when that time comes, but they are getting it resolved. Now in my state, Alabama, if you're just tuning in, roll tide roll, okay. But in Alabama, they have announced new WIC income guidelines, and this is happening all across America, as well as more pandemic EBT. Now on there for pandemic EBT is not going to come, guys, to like late spring, even going into summer. But they said more Alabamians can qualify for the WIC assistance, known as women, infants, and children, due to the increased changes. So pregnant women or women who've had a baby in the past 6 months, or you're currently breastfeeding, or guardians of a child up to the age 5, you could be eligible. According to the 2021 Federal Poverty Guidelines, WIC is now open to participants with incomes up to 185% of the federal poverty levels. So in Alabama, a family of 2 would be about $32,000. Family of 3 about $40,000, and even a family of 6, if you have about $66,000, you can still get WIC. Now, pandemic EBT will be rolling out late spring, early summer to qualifying households K through 12, including those in pre-kindergarten in public and some private schools. They said eligible households receive EBT cards in the mail, so your old cards won't work in Alabama, and they can be used, but keep those cards when you get them. All right, here. Now, a new retailer has hit the block, okay? Especially in South Carolina. You already know in South Carolina, you have the Carly C's. You got the Amazon, which hopefully you went on and got the Amazon. You got BJ's. You got Food Line. You got Walmart. You got Aldi. And now who do you got? You got Publix. Y'all, this is a good one. I love Publix. They have like the best fruit. They always have that buy one, get one free going on. Go ahead and cut me a check, Publix. But according to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, they said, hey, as of right now, they're excited to announce this new retailer. This flexibility will allow participants to buy food while promoting social distancing to prevent the spread of the pandemic. This will help families with transportation and mobility barriers. In May, North Carolina was one of the first 10 states to implement online pilot purchasing for the food nutrition services on there. So you are able to now purchase eligible food items from Publix, guys, online using your EBT cards, but there will be a service or delivery charge that are not covered by the cards, and you will have to pay that on a different card. So also some new things that are rolling out in Tennessee. The Tennessee Department of Health WIC program is releasing a WIC shopper app for smartphones. So, I mean, if you don't have the EBT Fresh app, you might want to get that, but also you can get the WIC shopper app. Now, according to this app, they said, hey, this will be another tool to help participants establish and reinforce healthy eating habits. So this, what you will do is you will go ahead and download the app. It's absolutely free. And then you can actually scan the UPC barcode at the store to determine what products is allowable for your WIC food item on there. Now, they said they have different features such as the store locations. They even have recipes and shopping tips on there. They have all this stuff. You can go to tennessee.gov/WIC shopper for instructions how to download, and they have it for iPhone and Android as well. It is available to all and free. So that's all I have, guys, in today's news, okay, of EBT. Let me know what you think below. Have you already started receiving your pandemic EBT benefits? I also have another video that I put out today regarding the fourth stimulus and some, if you have like criminal charges or criminal convictions, some good info there, as well as $22,000 in home buyer assistance. So check that out. Purchase my ebook, get you some Amazon. Enjoy your weekend, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.